Hey everybody, how are you? Mike Zagari here, and today we're going to go over step-by-step how to set up headline search ads for the holiday season. It is now October 30th, 2018. Halloween is tomorrow, and it's about 3 weeks into Black Friday, so I want to set up some really amazing headline search sponsored branding campaigns today to get ready for the holiday season. So I want to share with you guys my thought process and what we're doing to get as much awesome traffic during the holiday season. As you know, there's going to be a lot of it, so we want to make sure that we set these campaigns up the right way. We don't waste money. We try to get as much exposure, and we try to send traffic to the right products that are really going to do well this holiday season. So to prepare for that this year, we contacted Kenji ROI, and we asked them, and they're a company that you guys can, if you Google them, they're very, very good. They make all of our images. This headline right over here is this banner ad is basically Easyology holiday gifts. There's 5 different products that we chose because these products really, really do well during the holiday season. You know, just going back 2 years ago, a year ago, we can see which products have sold really, really well. So we dig into the reports and we see that mainly stuff like toys and cat like dens and stuff like that sell really, really well during the holiday season. So we want to promote the products that we know are going to do well. And if you don't know, if you're brand new, if you don't know what's going to sell really well this holiday season, go over to Google Trends and type in your main keywords, and then you're going to see if there's a trend for December. Typically, there'll be a little bit of a trend, but if you look at like cat toys, it is pretty stable throughout the year, and then December, it just goes gangbusters. So we want to make sure that we get a ton of visibility for people who are searching for things related to cat toys during this holiday season. So if you don't have a page like this, you can go ahead and set up a list page with the products you think are really going to sell well, that are giftable during the holiday season. And that's very simple to do when you make your campaign. I'll show you how to do that later. If you have a page, a storefront like this, I highly suggest you make a section dedicated to holiday gift ideas. Make it simple and easy and straightforward for people. Make it fun, make it festive, make it cool. People can come on here and then just browse, and maybe they'll add a couple of different things to the shopping cart. Okay, so now if you go over here, we're gonna go to Entourage Spotlight, which is our tool to create really cool headline search ads, up to 27 different variations. I'm going to click on Ad Creator, and what we're going to do during this demonstration is create 27 different variations of ads, and then we're going to go and select the ones that we really think are really good and then make them live. I'm probably not going to make them live on the call. I'm going to do that afterwards at Starbucks because I like to do that, you know, off the call. It's probably going to be a waste of your time to watch that. But what we're going to do is we're going to set up the ads now. We're going to create the visuals. I'm going to give you a step-by-step as to what I would do, the thought process. And again, guys, this is just me. There's a million ways to do it. But I want to show you what I would do if I was going to set up this ad, and which we are on the call. So first and foremost, we have all the products, and what we want to do is we want to put our best players first, right? So we know that, I know from last year and from our year's sales that this product in particular is going to do really, really well this holiday season. So I want this one to be in our ad without a doubt. And then I'm also going to type in the word toy, and here we have a bunch of different toys that we sell. This one sells really well during the holiday season. I know that based on last year's results. And also, we really want to push this cat pizza that we're selling, because I think that's going to do really, really well as well. And I want to fill the rest of the page with other toys. We're out of stock on that one. And also other products that we just sell a lot of, like the cat litter mats, and probably do a jumbo version of that. I don't want to overwhelm this page. It's going to be about 5 products, but the point is we want to put our best players, we want to put our best foot forward, especially with the type of products that are going to sell during this time frame, okay? So that's simple and straightforward. We have 6 products selected. I'm going to go to continue, and this is going to tell us that we have 27 ads we can make. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this name to our real name, because that makes sense. Okay, now step number 1 is to set up different headlines. Before we get to step number 1, it's very important to do some keyword research, because in the headline, we want to resonate and we want to be congruent with the keywords that people are searching for. So if somebody's typing in cat gifts, we want to put cat gifts in our headline, because that's a connection. And then if we have a really good image, really good products, and a nice headline, people are more likely to click on that, okay? So it's really important to set yourself up for success by doing some research first and foremost. Now, I'm using today, for demonstration's sake, I'm using Viral Launch. And I typed in cat gifts, And whatever product you're selling, perhaps you could put it in gift, the word gifts at the very end, or whatever you think would be a good starter keyword to start searching from. But I typed in cat gifts. And if you look over here, there's going to be some words that are good and some words that are complete clunkers, guys. Now look at cat. Cat is a complete clunker. It's a complete clunker because you know how expensive it's going to be to get a click on cat during the holiday season? Probably $4 or $5 a click. It's going to be ridiculous. I'm going to run through my budget in no time, and this campaign is going to be a complete miserable and utter failure unless I was able to get really cheap cost per click. So if you go down the list here, you see the exact search volume, the broad search volume. You're going to start to see some potential winners. Again, and what we're doing right now is we're finding the keywords and search terms to not only use for our keyword in our side of our campaign, but we're using this to make the best title possible. So we have cat gifts for cat lovers, we have cat lover, cat stuff, all of this different stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this, which I did already, and I'm going to open up this file. Here's a file of all the different keywords, and I'm going to start to find the ones that I think are really going to resonate, and we're going to make a list. And I already did that just because of for demonstration's sake. I took cat gifts for women. Oh, and by the way, what I wanted to do first is sort descending by exact search volume, right? So now we know that we're going after the heavy hitters, the ones that get a lot of visibility. We have cat gifts for cat lovers. We have cat gifts. We have a bunch of stuff. We don't want to do anything with socks. There was something about a butt plug in here. We do not want cat butt magnets for a refrigerator. No, we don't want that. Okay, so here's a list of 5 that are really good based on volume and based on what we're actually selling. Cat gifts for cat lovers, cat gifts, crazy cat lady, cat stuff for cat lovers, cat gifts for women. All right, so now that we have these 5 keywords, we're going to go over to PPC Entourage, and I want to go ahead and click on the headline creator. So now the headline creator is going to show you all different headlines that you can start to craft. And if we go down here, we have Christmas and we have Black Friday headlines. So now I'm going to do this on the fly, and I am not a copywriter, guys, but let's look at cat gifts for women. And then we're going to use some of these headlines. The perfect cat gifts for women. There we go. 3 perfect cat gifts for women. All right, here we go. 3 perfect cat gifts for women. All right, well, that's what people are searching for. We're not going to add a call to action. We're going to copy this. It's very simple and straightforward. We're going to head on back to PPC Entourage. We're going to put that in as our first headline. I'm going to find another one. Okay, I'm going to make another one, rather. All right, now we already did that, so let's put that down. Cat stuff for cat lovers, cat gifts for cat lovers. Okay, let's use this one. Copy the cat gifts for cat lovers that last a lifetime. I don't know. I think they're talking more about a ring or something, not about a cheap cat gift. Santa asked us to give cat gifts for cat lovers. No. Give the blank that lasts a lifetime. Okay, I don't think that's going to work. Early Black Friday sale for, no, maybe not. How about this? Let's use Crazy Cat Lady. Okay, here we go. All right, got it. Give the Crazy Cat Lady the gift she really wants. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be at 50. My gosh, that's great, because that would have been a pain in the butt if I was 51. I don't know what I would have done. Okay, give the Crazy Cat Lady the gift she really wants. Awesome. All right, so now let's do one more. I'm going to pick on just cat gifts. Okay, cat gifts. We're going to go over here, and we're going to go to the Santa asked us to give. Okay, here we go. Santa asked us to give amazing cat gifts this year. Oh my gosh, the luck today. I should have played the lottery. Okay, 50 out of 50. Santa asked us to give amazing cat gifts this year. So this is the maximum amount of characters that we could use. And I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to add another one. So now we have 3 headlines. And we crafted right, easily, simple. Guys, this is not going to take you a long time to do. What we could also do is search for, basically look for search terms. We did the viral launch route this time, but if I wanted to, I could also find the different search terms that connect with my audience. This is better when you're creating regular headline search ads. We're doing ones like specifically for the holidays. So like Cat Toys Interactive, Cat Cave, all of these different search terms I want to have in my headlines if they were just a normal headline search ad. But now we're making ones specifically for the holiday. Okay, so we have our 3 different headlines. Now it's time to choose a main image. So if you have a graphic designer, what you can do is have them, them do is update some of your images and put some like holiday festive imagery around it. Or you can have a lifestyle photo of somebody opening up the present, the gift underneath the tree, or whatever you want to do. But I'm going to show you what I did. I'm going to choose a file here, and I'm going to go to all my files that I just downloaded, and hang tight, guys. Here we go. Now I have one here. This is the cat roller toy, but it's got a bow on it, right? It looks like a giftable present, and it's gonna probably attract a lot more attention than if I were to just do the cat roller toy. So I'm gonna save this here. Now this is just going to be our first image. Entourage allows you to upload up to 3 different images, okay? So here's this one. This is we just uploaded here. I'm gonna change this main image, and we're gonna choose another file, and I'm gonna go to down over here. Well, there we go. All right, here we go. All my files, and we have a couple others. Here we go. This is a good one too. Very simple and straightforward. It's got the giftable thing. It's the cat tunnel. We're going to save that. Once again, simple and straightforward. And now the next thing, we're going to do one more. I'm going to upload all my files. This one I like because it's completely different, and hopefully it'll give you guys some ideas. It's got like a red and white background. It's got the bow. It's one of our best-selling products, and we're going to use this as well. Okay? Get creative, guys, because there's so many different things you can do, and that's why we have Entourage Spotlight, is because we want to test all this stuff. Next, we're going to change the ad products. We're going to change the order and try and test out different orders. All right? So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to add this first, and then the roller toy. And then I'm going to try, maybe I want to try something a little different, 3-way cat tunnel. I'm going to save that order. Now we have a different order over here, okay? Now I'm going to go over here. We're going to go with the cat tunnel first. Cat peeking out. Then we're going to go with one of our best sellers. And then, well, we really want to get that roller toy because it sells really well. Now we have this combination. And then after all is said and done, you're going to notice up to 27 different combinations. Sponsored by your brand, you got all the different images, 3 perfect cat gifts for women. It's got a search term in it. And then as you can see, this is one order, another order, and a third order. And as you go down here, then we get to the different main image over here. So it goes from this image to the cat roller image. It's still the same headline. And then we have another set of images. And then as you go down, now we're starting to get into the different headlines. So we have the original image with a different headline with the original or with the first order. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is click on Continue. And now we have all of the different search terms. I'm going to take the ones that we found before, and we're going to go after these. And the reason why we're going to go after these is because these are really good. We know people are using these, and we know that they're popular based on the results that we got before. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these in as broad and phrase with a relatively low bid price, 78, 80 cents. You can try that out, see if you get any hits, impressions right off the bat. I'm going to add these keywords. I'm going to click on Continue, and we're going to give this cluster a name. We're going to call this the Holiday Cluster, and I'm going to, in case I've done that already, I'm going to call this Holiday Cluster 2. Okay? I'm going to generate the campaign names. Then if you go over here, I'm going to click on Finish. Now what Entourage is doing is it's creating 27 different headlines right now. So currently at this state, you can't push them right to Seller Central. What's going to happen is it's going to go inside as a draft inside of the ad creator, and then we're simply going to copy and paste it inside of Seller Central, which I will not do just because it's going to take some time. It's very simple to do inside of Seller Central. You can do it quickly and easily. But I wanted to show you the entire process of how to create up to 27 different headline ads. And now what I'm going to do is simply just go to Starbucks soon. I'm going to create those ads inside of Seller Central, and I'm going to hopefully reap the rewards and reap the benefits. So guys, we are on the Facebook page. Be sure to ask me any questions. You know, don't be shy about exposing your brand. We went full frontal and exposed everything over the summer. It's not a big deal. There's going to be competition no matter what. So if you have any specific questions, if you want to show us your ads, go ahead and show us your ads. Post it in the group. We would love, love, love to help you out. And guys, just keep in mind, this takes a couple minutes to process all of these different ads, and it's going to be inside of the ad creator, okay? So happy holidays, everybody. I wish you an amazing Q4, and any questions, I will see you inside the Facebook group, and I'm signing out. Take care, everybody.